Excuse me. Coming.
Come on.
Excuse me. Sorry. All right.
You're always late. Shh.
4 Films 4, together with McCain Wedges. Perfect for sharing.
Can't choose.
Too many options. I mean, look at this one. Front and rear heated seating, ABS, ECU, GPS.
Oh, I see.
I mean, who needs a gimbal-mounted rotary seat adjustment system?
So what sort of thing are you looking for?
I don't know. I mean, nothing this fancy.
We could go for a classic, an Aston like Bond's, or a DeLorean, or 1961 Ferrari, 250 GT, California.
Less than 100 were made. My father spent 3 years restoring this car. It is his love. It is his passion.
It is his fault he didn't lock the garage.
Yeah, I think I need something a bit more practical. You know, I'd be too scared to take it out.
What, more for just pootling around town in?
Yeah, but nippy. You know, in case I need to leave in a hurry or whatever. Ooh, what about one of those?
I could eat the horse.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, a bit pricey though. Yeah, maybe I'll go for something a bit cheaper.
You want to get your hands on an old banger, do her up.
Beg your pardon?
Well, fix her upper. I could help you, it'd be fun. With new hubcaps and a lick of paint.
Well, this car could be systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic. Why could be grease lightning? Grease lightning!
Yeah, forget it. I'll walk.
It's hydromatic.
4 Films 4, together with McCain Wedges. Perfect for sharing.